Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Safelists to email over 900,000 prospects over the next few minutes. And email marketing and Safelist mailers is one of the most effective traffic sources and ways to generate leads and earn commissions. Because what you can do with these Safelist mailers, you can promote a lead capture page and you can take the members from the Safelists onto your own email list. And a lot of these include buyers, and a lot of them are tier 1 traffic members as well. And I'll show you some proof here shortly how this works. I'll go through each one individually. I'll talk a little bit about why I use each one and how effective they are. This one's called Mailer Gold. And if you look at this button here where it says to, you can either email out to 100% buyers. And this is the only safe list that I know where, because the buyers are gold members here, this is the only safe list I know where you can email to 100% buyers. And it's really a game-changing move by the owner, Frank, by doing this. And what I generally do is I generally promote to both the free members and the buying members. But if you know of any other safe list or any other traffic source where you can email just to buyers, please let me know, and I'll be interested in partnering with you. So Mailer Gold, all you're going to do is send an email here. Now what I like about Mailer Gold as well is there's no monthly membership costs. So it's a very affordable price to join. And if you're looking for a great mailer that's not only cost effective, you can get in profit as an affiliate quite quickly with the high commissions they pay you and the high conversion rates as an affiliate. The next one we're going to look at is called Pangea, and Pangea is a site owned by Marion Myers. If I scroll down here, it's not actually showing you on there, but Marion Myers has had traffic sites for over 20 years. And what I like about Pangea is, again, this is another safe list. It doesn't have any monthly membership costs. So if you're on a tight budget, these are great for joining with a one-time payment, and then you don't pay monthly. With a lot of these one-time payments like Pangea, you can email every day. So today I'm going to email out, I've got 18,000 credits in there. So I'm going to use all of those today. I'm going to use 18,000 credits today. I can email up to 132,000 with Pangea. Hercules has been online for over 25 years, and you'll see here that there are over 380,000 members for you to email out to. You can even email out every day as a free member. So we're just going to submit here. Click submit. So I've just preloaded all of these just to save time for this video, and you'll see there that the ad's been successfully submitted to 380,000 members in Hercules. The next one's My Lead Gen Secret. I'll log into My Lead Gen Secret. Now with My Lead Gen Secret as an emailing system, you get 100 to 200 leads every single day, and these leads do include buyers. If you go onto my channel and you look at My Lead Gen Secret playlist, I show you some proof that these include buyers. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to email out in this account here that I've got. I'm going to email out to 200,000 members. They're 100% tier 1 leads, and so that's United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand and Canada. And I'm just going to choose this one here. I promote a ClickBank product with my lead gen secret. Scroll down here, I'm going to click on perfect timing, and I'm going to click send. I use a copy and paste method of my lead gen secret. If you go onto my channel, and I show you how I can just spend 5 minutes a day on this site, and you can earn money with ClickBank. So that one's gone out. Here's my second my lead gen secret account. So I'll log into this one, and we'll go into the mailing system. And in this second account that I've got here, I bought this second account with affiliate profits from my first account. So I do recommend that you promote traffic, because when you get affiliate commissions, you can pay for more safe lists and reach a larger audience. So with this one, we're going to be emailing out today to 58,700 leads. So again, I'm just going to use some of I like the saved email feature they've got here. Saves a lot of time. Just click load, and these are emails that convert. That's why I use them. I just rotate 10 emails with this system. It's not even copy and paste anymore. It's just click and load, and then we're going to click send on there, and that's going to go out. Now with my lead gen secret, you'll see a little timer is going to come up, and you can email once a day, every 23 hours. I like Proactive Mailer because the owner, Phil, is Proactive Mailer. The owner, Phil, he cleans out his list on a regular basis. So the only members that are going to see your email are ones that where you get clicks. So if nobody clicks on your email that you send out, he takes them. He takes them not off the list, but he puts them on pause until they start clicking again. So it's called proactive because every time you send an email out, it's going to be seen by members that are clicking and opening your emails and clicking on your affiliate links. It's got a small email list on this one, 3,126, but I like it because it's an active. I'd rather have an active email list than one that's got hundreds of thousands and no one's opening your emails or clicking on your links. You can also send to downline referrals. So that's another addition there. You can build an email list within this mailer. So we're going to click send. And this one, you've got to approve your lead capture page. So I recommend using a lead capture page. Confirm that there. And then what you're doing is you're taking leads from the Safelists mailer database onto your own email list. If you look in the browser here, it says 100% clicks. So this is 100% clicks by Frank Salinas, traffic expert. 100% clicks. If you promote the affiliate program, then what he does, he pays 100% commission on the first traffic product that your referrals buy. So it's a nice little bonus there. This one's got 1,500 credits, and again you can send to your downline referrals. So we'll click there on. Again, you've got to do a little site check, and you can see the email, the lead capture page. I can see my site. That just verifies that it's gone out, and it's going to open up within their system. Okay, the next one we're looking at here is Mr. Safelist by Jerry Iannucci. Jerry Iannucci is a Safelist expert. He's been Safelist marketing for over 15 years. This is Jerry in the bottom left-hand corner here. I'm going to give you a guide by Jerry at the end of this video, and he can teach you how to become successful with Safelist marketing. So again, he's got a small but very proactive email list. You can send down to your referrals as well. We're going to click send. And again, he's just going to make sure the page is correct. Just confirm there with Mr. Safelist. And what you can also do with the Safelist, you can put this is all these banners are here. All these banners here. If you're a member of any of these, you can put your affiliate links into these. So your referrals might want to join some more Safelists. So you've got an opportunity there to earn more referrals with Jerry's sort of system within a system. So he's very clever the way he works things. Here's Mailsy. Mailsy's been online now since 2022. So it's quite a new safe list, but it's a very good safe list, 8,300 members. So we're going to send here. And again, they're going to want you to verify. It'll count down. And just confirm again. Your message has been queued and will be sent. So that's that one. State of the art mail has been online now for over 10 years. Got to log in here. Bear with me. You can buy login ads. Not going to buy a login ad. So state of the art mailer. I think it's got 40,000 members. Advertise. Send an email ad, and then we'll go into here. Mail 1,500 with the run a previous ad. Reuse the ad. And send. So state-of-the-art mailers, again, a very mail complete. Over 10 years online. Now, Profits Lion is by another one, like Pangia, by Marion Myers. Says here, I've owned websites and I've paid members through the years from 1998 to the present. You can see that across the bottom there, just highlighted for you. 11,000 members in this safe list. Now I'm upgraded here. Now what you can do with an upgraded account, go into here, and with an upgraded account, what it does, it's got an auto send feature. So you don't even have to log in. You just choose down here which email you want to auto send. I've got that marked to auto send, and any of these down here that I want to change, got 3 or 4 in there that I maybe rotate sometimes. So I don't have to do anything with that one. I want to show you that's a really nice feature where if you do upgrade, it sends it out automatically for you. This one here by Darren Olander, Adcheaver. Darren Olander's been affiliate marketing since 2009. So 16 years in the business. He's got some great traffic sites. He's got a portfolio of traffic sites. So we're just going to send that one there. That's Adcheaver by Darren Olander. If you've ever looked at my prosperity marketing system, he owns that as well. He puts the mailers in that system. The 12 seconds left. That's just a frame breaker test. You don't have to do anything with that. List Jumper again by Darren Olander. Let's have a look here. I'm going to send a mail here. So Darren's got a portfolio of, I think, about 6 or 7 sites. And you'll see I'm promoting the same lead capture page just to really build up the email list for that particular capture page. What's that one here? List Avail. I like List Avail. If I come down all the way down here, at the very bottom here, highlighted 2013 to 2025. This is a great email list. The owners here are very, very proactive in cleaning out their list and only having really valued members that click on their their mails. So I'm going to click Send Mail on List Avail. And success, that has gone out. So again, you can use their downline builder. So let me just show you this over here. I want to give you this free guide called The Ultimate Guide to Safely Marketing by Jerry Iannucci. So Jerry is a Safelists marketing expert. He's been Safelists marketing for 15 years. And within this guide, it's totally free. It's going to give you all this information, how to succeed with Safelists marketing. So what I'll do, you get a free copy. I'll pin a link so you can get a copy of this for free to the first video. To the first comment below the video you're watching now. So pin to that first comment. It'll take you to this page. Get your free copy. Click here for instant access. And then what you can do is within this guide, you can join Mr. Safelist, and then you can get some free credits to start promoting your offer straight away from Jerry. So a great guide. If you're looking to be a Safelist marketer, I highly recommend the guide. And what I recommend you do is if you promote any of these offers and you get in some affiliate commissions coming in. So let me give you an example on my channel here. So you'll see here Mailer Gold, $412 in commissions. So I've just checked now, Mailer Gold is a $20 one-time payment. So if you promote Mailer Gold as an affiliate, I've earned $390 in affiliate commissions profit. So I recommend what you do, you take a percentage of those profits and you come into some of these sites like Hercules and you upgrade as a one-time payment, or you come into Pangea, which is a one-time payment. So if you can't afford the monthly payments, 100% clicks is a one-time payment. So come and join some of these one-time payment Safelists marketing traffic sources, and then what happens is you don't have any monthly costs. You're going to get more and more traffic, and that's how I built up over time to be able to email out to 900,000 prospects today. So by the time I do in the next video, I'll probably be email out to 1 million. And this is how you generate leads. This is how you build an email list. And this is how you can generate commissions by promoting to large numbers. So if you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims or guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. There'll be a link to each and every one of these traffic sources in the description if you'd like more information or if you'd like to partner with me through those. And my email address is always in the description if you'd like any help with anything. So thanks a lot for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.